Today we have the 2017 Volvo S90. This vehicle has done just over 51,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, on our first page, we have our applications. From here, we can access our driver performance and download center. On the second page is our key features, navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and our vehicle status. On the final page is our car functions, road sign information, park assist, and our start stop. If we press here, we can access our climate control. Using our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: eco, comfort, dynamic, and individual. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.